The line segment from A1, 2 to B3, 3 can be transformed to the line segment from A prime 3, 1 to B prime 4, 3, sending A to A prime B and B to B prime by rotation centered at the point P S, T. What is absolute value of S minus T? Let's draw a coordinate axis and mark the points, locate the points on the axis. I'm going to draw a number of horizontal and vertical lines because the points are located on the integer coordinates, and these lines will help us to see the points in a more clear way. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is AB, and this is A prime, this is B prime. So first of all, it looks like P is located somewhere here. This is S, T. Next, here's the simple yet very powerful observation. PA and PA prime should have the same length because we're just rotating A, like rotating A around P, and we get A prime. So PA and PA prime have the same length. Similarly, PB and PB prime have the same length. Okay. Now PB B prime is then as an isosceles triangle. And this is really nice because when we drop the perpendicular, it has to bisect the opposite side. And that way, we can just easily figure out the x-coordinate of point P, which is indeed the middle point of 3 and 4. So this has to be 7/2. Okay, now S actually equals 7/2. Now that's the first thing. Secondly, let's write down PA and PA prime using Pythagorean theorems and the coordinates S and T. So I would like to maybe get rid of a bunch, some of the drawings here. So let me just erase this part, maybe even these parts and stuff. Okay, now let's, oh, maybe not this part. Right, this is good enough. So let's use a Pythagorean theorem using this right triangle here. This part is, this length is 5/2, and this length is t minus 2. So 5/2 squared plus t minus 2 squared equals PA squared. And this actually equals PA prime squared. And this all equals, so let's construct our second right triangle. It is this pink right triangle here. One side has length 1/2, and the other side has length t minus 1. So this equals 1/2 quantity squared plus t minus 1 quantity squared. And let's solve it and figure out P. So 25/4 minus plus t minus 2 squared equals 1/4 t minus 1. Or we have t minus 1 squared, 1/4 plus t minus 1 squared. So move the constants to the left, and this is simplifies to 6. The right-hand side is t minus 1 squared minus t minus 2 squared. So let's use the difference of squares to write 6 equals t minus 1 plus t minus 2 times t minus 1 minus t plus 2. And this is 2t minus 3 times 1. So 6 equals 2t minus 3, or 2t equals 9, t equals 9/2. And we already know that s equals 7/2. And we just find s minus t in absolute value equals 2/2, absolute value, which is 1. Our answer is 1, or E.